There are two methods how you could save your Microsoft Excel file or sheet into the compatible mode, or to make it compatible with any previous build or version of Microsoft Excel. So to do that, you will have to open your file or your sheet. You go to File, and here you will find, in the Info section, you will find Compatibility Mode. You will click Convert. Your Windows will pop up a message. You just click Yes, and then you can close your file or your sheet, and it is compatible with previous build. So we are going to close it. Let's open it again. You can identify it have been saved in compatible mode by checking in File. If you see the compatible option again, it means it didn't or it hasn't been saved. So the second option again, you can always click on File, and you can click Save As, and you find the location where you want to save your Excel file. For me, for instance, I want to save it on my desktop, and here we are going to name it Test, and in the section or the option Save As Type, we're going to click, and we will select Excel 97 2003 workbook. Make sure to select this choice, and your Excel workbook will be compatible with all the previous build and versions, and you will be able to open it with any old version up to 1997 one. So we're going to click Save, we'll close, and the settings or the changes has been saved, and here we have our Excel sheet.